Welcome friends. Today we will discuss Polycab India Limited. It's a large cap company with a market capitalization of 77,000 crores. The company is number one manufacturer in India in terms of wires and cables. It has 22 to 24% share of organized market. Pan India, it has got about 4,300 dealers and distributors and more than 2 lakh retail outlets. It's well-footed player in terms of FMEG. For last 7 years, this segment has shown a CAGR growth of 30% and has got well-balanced portfolio of about 7,000 SKUs. The company has got 25 manufacturing facilities and 5 offices. Strong management bandwidth, blend of entrepreneurial and highly experienced professionals, and proven track record for 5 years, CAGR revenue has been 15%. The company was established way back in 1964 and incorporated in 1996 as Polycab. It had set up a PVC insulated power cable, housing wire, telephone cables, optical fiber cables, switchboard cables and cord cables at Daman in 1998 and crossed revenues of 1,000 crores in 2006. In 2011, they crossed the revenues of 3,000 crores. And in 2013 they forayed into switch segment, and in 2014 they diversified into fans and LED segment. Then further they started a fan manufacturing plant at Roorkee in Uttarakhand in 2016, and in 2017 bought out 50% stake of Raikar, and a new IoT based brand HOM was acquired by them, and Project Udan and rejuvenated focus on export markets started in 2020. Rather, in 2019 they got listed on 16th April 2019 and they were oversubscribed by 52 times. And in the same year they commenced manufacturing of water heaters. So in 2020 they established a new IoT based brand by the name HOM, and in 2021 they initiated transformation project LEAP, and in the same year or probably towards 2022 they commenced manufacturing switches, tied up with bulk cables for procuring technology for EHV cables. Their wires and cable segment contribute 89% of the revenues, and fast moving electrical good contributes 9% of the revenue, and 2% comes from copper and other products, so that is 2%. The key drivers for growth would be consumption-led, rapid urbanization, nuclearization of families, growth of rural India. Policy reforms give them a push in terms of PLI schemes, Make in India initiative, and integrated power development schemes. Infrastructure also is looking good in terms of national infrastructure pipeline, capex uptick in power, railways, defense, and real estate, and electrification, emerging digital India, BharatNet, renewable energy, and defense sectors. Polycab is the largest wire and cable manufacturer in India with a strong suite of products which are catering to power cables, optical fiber cables, building wires, control cables, instrumentation cables, flexible wire cables, and solar cables. in terms of FMEG, they are into fans, lighting, luminaries, IoT products, switches, switch gears, water heaters, pipes, conduits, agro pumps, and solar electricity. And the revenues from this segment for last 7 years have shown a growth of 30% CAGR. Now let's have a look at the key financials of the company. The market cap of the company is 77,000 crores. Current price is 5,179, and the highest that it made in last 52 weeks is 5,423, and 2,500 was a 52-week low. That means in this year itself, this stock has risen by 100%. Stock is trading at a P/E of 53. Book value of the stock is 449. Dividend is 0.39. ROC is very good at 27%. ROE is very good at 20%. Debt to equity is 0.04. That means there is no debt on the company. Promoters holding is decent at 66%. And now let's have a look at the price chart of the company. It got listed somewhere in April 2019. From there, it has shown the stock price has increased by 703%. That means it is trading at 8 times the value in 2019. Having a look at the recent quarter gone by, the sales were a bit down from 4,324 crores to 3,889 crores quarter-on-quarter basis, but there is a decent jump on year-on-year basis from 2,737 crores to 3,889 crores. Margins remain stable at 14%, and quarter-on-quarter there was a decline in profits from 428 crores to 403 crores, but year-on-year there is a decent jump from 223 crores to 403 crores. If we have a look at the yearly performance of the company, in 2019, the sales of the company were to the tune of 8,000 crores, which has nearly doubled to about 14,000 crores in 2023. The operating profit margins of the company are in lower teens at about 13 to 14%. And if we look at the net profit growth from 2019 onwards, it has grown consistently from 500 crores to 886 crores, currently at 1,282 crores. Trading 12 months compounded sales growth is 17% of the company. Compounded profit growth for trailing 12 months is 47%. Stock price CAGR for last 1 year is 99%. That means the stock price has doubled in a span of 1 year itself. And return on equity for last 1 year is 20%. Balance sheet of the company is very good. Reserves are at about 6,500 crores, and they have a negligible debt of 191 crores. The promoters have a very good holding in the company, which is about 66%. FIs hold 9.5%, and DIs hold 9.75%. Rest 14.6% is with the public. So this is it about Polycab India Limited. We will meet up soon in a new video. Till then, take care and goodbye.